To start using Web Scraping API, head to the Smartproxy dashboard. Hit Scraping and choose Web. Then go to the API Authentication tab. You'll notice that a username, password, and authentication token have been generated for you. You can copy credentials by clicking on each. To generate a new password, click on the arrow icon. Other details can't be changed manually. Now head back to Scrapers and hit Create New Project. Next, enter your target URL. Under Parameters, specify your targeted website language, geolocation, and device type. In other settings, disable and enable JavaScript rendering. JavaScript rendering should be enabled when you scrape dynamic websites for more accurate results. Once you're satisfied, hit Start Scraping. In the Response tab, you'll see raw HTML results or a live preview. With the button below, copy the output to your clipboard. You may also copy the scraper request. Head to the Request tab, specify the programming language, and click here. To reuse the scraping template, hit Save New Scraper and return to it when you need it. Alternatively, create a scheduled request. Simply click on the saved scraper and hit Schedule. Set a period and choose your delivery method. Then enter your webhook or email address and save it. Your results will be automatically delivered until you switch the scheduling off. To track the requests you make, visit the Statistics tab. Here you check the scraper's activity over a chosen period. That's all you need to start using Web Scraping API. For more guides on how to use Smartproxy products, visit our YouTube channel and documentation.